Looking for a versatile laser measure? M-Cube is an innovative tool with a standard module featuring a laser measure, digital level, and calculator. Additional modules like the Smart Planner for layout and complex spaces enhance its adaptability. The joystick control facilitates virtual cursor movement, measurement, and drawing. The bilateral laser module extends measurement capabilities to 650 feet, incorporating features like crosshair and distance averaging. The scale roller module is perfect for curved surfaces, allowing you to trace irregular shapes for accurate measurements. Whether you're an architect, contractor, DIYer, or homeowner, the M-Cube with its smart features and diverse modules is an excellent choice for reliable and versatile measuring. This multi-tool is the ultimate problem solver for on-the-go repairs. Its Zippo-inspired flip lid with a magnetic seal unveils a bit chamber secured by spring-loaded ball bearings. This precision machine marvel goes beyond with a built-in bubble level, a versatile steel clip doubling as a flathead screwdriver, and the added bonus of serving as a fidget toy. Offering driver and torque modes with magnetic bit retention, it ensures efficiency in every use. The integrated lanyard loop keeps it close, ready for action. Here's another mighty tool that fits in your palm. With a bendable design for tight spaces and added torque, it features a built-in light, a hammer, liquid level, and a 3-foot tape measure for all your DIY needs. From quick fixes to assembling IKEA furniture, these tools redefine convenience and versatility. Why would anyone need a manual-powered drill? Well, sometimes electrical power may not be available or practical. This one boasts a hand-operated crank giving you unparalleled control and accuracy. The drill also comes equipped with additional features that make it easy to use, including a keyless chuck for simple bit changes and a fold-down handle for compact storage. Plus, 4 standard drill bits can be used in multiple applications, including building furniture, hanging artwork, and more. Who said a toolbox must be big and bulky? This 16-in-1 multi-tool is a DIY enthusiast dream, with everything from screwdrivers to wrenches, bottle openers to rulers, all packed into one handy key. Made with military-grade strength and crafted from hardened 420 stainless steel, it can handle whatever you throw at it. And since it's smaller than a matchbox, it slips right into your pocket or clips onto your keyring. Already have a ton of different tools you want to use? This toolbox features a built-in tool tray, 2-way opening drawers with all the stuff you need, and a deep lower compartment accommodating a diverse array of tools. 2 fixed and 2 swiveling casters with brakes allow you to move that monster in literally any direction. Want to take it somewhere? Hold it and put it into your trunk. The lock will prevent accidental openings. Lastly, the trolley's made of long-lasting material, so it'll serve you for ages. Some mistakes can be costly. For example, welding without proper protection. Consider this welding mask that comes with wraparound protection guarding against UV, IR leakage, and welding hazards. The flame-resistant fabric hood ensures safety from sparks and heat. As for the goggles, the digital interface allows intuitive controls, while the cutting-edge True Color technology delivers unmatched clarity and a realistic, detailed view of the weld. With a remarkable battery life of up to 1,300 hours, easily replaceable, it meets all standards and is CE certified. Whether welding steel on a construction site or requiring heavy protection, this mask has got you covered. With the LimbZipper system, forest owners can quickly and easily prune trees with the professional quality tools they need to do the job. So the pruning head is designed to cut branches up to 1.25 inches next to the main stem to improve timber quality. As the head rotates, the blades cut the branch with a slicing action. The telescopic pole extends up to 20 feet, making the task easy. And in case the branches are too big, or they just place too close to each other, switch the pruning head to the saw and continue working. Got stuff you hate to throw away? An airbed, a broken spade, or a leaking garden hose? Bondic's got you covered. Apply its special liquid plastic formula, cure it with the UV light for 4 seconds, and it's fixed forever. No more throwing things out. It works on metal, wood, glass, ceramics, plastic, and more. And yeah, it's not like regular glue. Bondic won't dry out or get sticky. It's time to give your broken items a second life.